Hi everyone, my name is Celine and this is Daniel, and on today's adventure we are in Pismo Beach for the weekend. Pismo Beach is known for its beautiful beaches and it's a very colorful town, lots of barbecue. We stopped at this glass house and picked out a hummingbird as a souvenir. The main reason we came was for the Monarch Butterfly Grove. Monarch butterflies overwinter here from October through March. This is an excellent time to come and see monarchs. You will see monarchs huddling together in order to stay warm. We were here in mid-February, the start of the monarch mating season. Here there are two monarchs mating, and as you can see, they back up into each other and mate, and sometimes they'll flutter a lot, sometimes they won't, and they will stay with each other for up to 16 hours. Here you can see the male pinning down the female, and he will whisk her away.
Oh my god, he's taking her!
In addition to the beautiful monarchs, there is an estuary and a creek right behind the Monarch Grove. I highly advise you to bring binoculars. We were so surprised at the wildlife we saw. We saw this beautiful red bird called a summer tanager. I have never seen one here in California, and it was so gorgeous. We also saw lots of goldfinches, but also this common yellowthroat that we had never seen before. Take your time here and listen. You will hear the birds and the wildlife before you see them. As we were walking, I heard some rustling in the trees and I couldn't figure out what it was, and I was pleasantly surprised. It was this cute little bunny. We stayed at the Kaleidoscope Inn and Gardens. We booked this on Airbnb. This is a Victorian house that has been turned into a bed and breakfast. They also host weddings. Very lovely. It's a tall bed. Look at these beautiful stained glass windows. Gorgeous. It's an up-close view of the windows. Lovely antique furniture. So here's the bathroom. Toilet and shower. So super clean. They did a good job with the remodel. I love this detail here. This is a coat rack. Definitely old school. Love it. So I got these lovely flowers. There's some, these look like ranunculus. And of course hydrangeas, roses, gerberas. Oh, lovely flowers. I also got this beautiful box of chocolate covered strawberries. We just had one. And then it also came with some wine. Schloss Beef Brick. Never heard of it.
Crab cake.
I'm having sea bass. Daniel's having vol au vent, which is like a pastry, puff pastry filled with shrimp and lobster. Thank you for joining us on our Pismo Beach adventure. Lots of love. Please make sure to subscribe. It really helps us, and we love you for it.